I wouldn't listen to that person with that.
Going to Manhattan on a mission trip. A number of us went up there, and it was a marvelous experience. Did something when they saw the Dutchman coming with that $24 worth of stuff, and they sold it. We were up there doing some street evangelism, and it was a wonderful experience. We were passing out little goodies and inviting them to a dodgeball game, and we were up there on behalf of the Graffiti Church. Haven't even heard of the Graffiti Church? And it repainted, and they came back in and put the graffiti all over, and he said he knew he was in a losing situation, so he simply decided to name it. Everybody there was kind and gracious and enthusiastic and responsive and very gracious and grateful for what we were doing. And I thought to myself, I wonder, but I got to tell you folks, Satan's most effective lie ever told has been that we're supposed to keep our faith either in the church. It's okay to talk, you know, they believe part of it, they don't believe the other part. I was privileged to be in the, when I saved, and Evelyn Black Lady spent the weekend in our home, and as a result of that, I committed my life to Christ. I had been to church at least 1,500 times, been baptized when I was 12, was headed straight for hell. I was no more saved than I was a ghost. Now, this dear lady, one subject only in her mind, they had warned me that it would foul up my career. Well, let me tell you, the damage that was caused in my career. I have not had to solicit a speaking engagement in over 32 years. This is the segregation. This is a small
That's 800-800-2580.